Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today I teach you MCQs on Unit 3 Education and Careers of English Class 9 New Course. Dear students, in Unit 3 the reading text is Chasing Dreams. It is a story, and in this story there are 9 characters. These 9 characters are Jamil, Jamil's sister Sarah, Jamil's father, Jamil's mother, Aunt Sadori, Jamil's brother Khalid, Uncle Noor Ali, he is the patient, Aladinu, and Jamil's wife. These are total 9 characters in this story. I have made some 17 MCQs on this reading text. First of all, please read this reading text, Chasing Dreams, very carefully and understand it fully. This is a very interesting story. Jamil and Sarah are brother and sister. They live in a village. They want to become doctors. In their village, there was no any college. So it was a very problem for them to get higher education. At last, their aunt Satori, who lives in a city where there is a college as well as a medical college also. There was problem for Jamil and his sister because their village was some 50 kilometers away from the city. So it was very problem for them how to get higher education in city. At last their problem was solved by Aunt Sadori, who lived in a city. She managed for them to live with her in the city. In this way, they acquired their higher education. At last, they became doctors and helped the villagers. They opened a hospital in village where they helped the villagers who were very suffering from different diseases. There was no any medical facility in the village. At least it was solved by these 2 people, Jamil and Sarah, because they have determined to become doctors, and at last they became doctors. Their dreams came true. In this today's lesson, I am going to solve these MCQs on this reading text. Question: choose the correct answer for each from the given options. Number 1. How many characters are there in the story Chasing Dreams? Options: A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, D. 9. The correct answer is option D. 9. Number 2. Sadori was Jamil's. Options: A. Mother, B. Aunt, C. Sister, D. Mother-in-law. The correct answer is option C. Sister. Sarah was Jamil's sister and Jamil was Sarah's brother. Number 3. Number 2. Sadori was Jamil's. Options: A. Mother, B. Aunt, C. Sister, D. Mother-in-law. The correct answer is option B. Aunt. Sadori was Jamil's aunt. Sorry, not sister. There is the mention of Aunt Sadori. She is the aunt of Jamil. Number 3. Sarah was Jamil's options: A. Mother, B. Aunt, C. Sister, D. Mother-in-law. The correct answer is option C. Sister. Sarah is Jamil's sister. Jamil is Sarah's brother. Whereas Sadori is Jamil's aunt. Sadori is Sarah's aunt. Number 4. Khalid was Jamil's options: A. Father, B. Brother, C. Uncle, D. Friend. The correct answer is option B. Brother. Khalid was brother of Jamil and Sarah. Number 5. Sarah had got dash marks than Jamil. Options: A. More, B. Less, C. Equal, D. None of them. The correct answer is option A. More. Sarah got more marks than Jamil. Number 6. Jamil was options: A. Happy, B. Upset, C. Brave, D. Timid. The correct answer is option B. Upset. Jamil was upset because Sarah had got more marks than him. No doubt Jamil has got good grade also, but he got less marks than Sarah. That's why he was upset in the story. Number 7. You don't seem okay. Let's have dinner, then we talk about it. These words are said by Jamil's options: A. Brother, B. Mother, C. Father, D. Aunt. The correct answer is option C. Father. These words are said by Jamil's father. Number 8. Jamil wanted to become options: A. Doctor, B. Engineer, C. Teacher, D. Pilot. The correct answer is option A. Doctor. Jamil wanted to become a doctor. Number 9. Noor Ali was Jamil's options: A. Uncle, B. Patient, C. Grandfather, D. Driver. The correct answer is option B. Patient. Number 10. Jamil lived in a dash. Options: A. City, B. Hostel, C. Village, D. Town. The correct answer is option C. Village. Jamil and Sarah lived in a village. Number 11. Jamil's village was dash kilometers away from city. Options: A. 50, B. 60, C. 70, D. 80. The correct answer is option A. 50. Number 12. Aunt Sadori lived in a dash. Options: A. City, B. Village, C. Cottage, D. None of them. The correct answer is option A. City. Aunt Sadori lived in a city where Jamil and Sarah went to live with her for their higher education. Number 13. Jamil and Sarah became options: A. Engineers, B. Teachers, C. Pilots, D. Doctors. The correct answer is option D. Doctors. Jamil and Sarah became doctors. Number 14. Sarah had dash children. Options: A. 2, B. 3, D. C. 4, D. 5. The correct answer is option A. 2. Number 15. Jamil and Sarah travelled in a dash. Options: A. Car, B. Jeep, C. Van, D. Bus. The correct answer is option B. Jeep. Sarah and Jamil and Sarah travelled in a small jeep where they organized a function. Number 16. Can I really go and study in the city? These words are said by options A. Jamil, B. Sarah, C. Khalid, D. Aladinu. The correct answer is option B. Sarah. In the story, you will learn that their father forbade Sarah that Sarah should not go to city for her higher education. But Khalid convinced his father, and at last father accepted that Sarah should also go to city and live with his brother Jamil and to get higher education. So these words are said by Sarah. Can I really go and study in the city? These words are said by Sarah. The correct answer is Sarah. Number 17. Okay, son, I will follow your advice. These words are said by options A. Aladinu, B. Uncle Noor Ali, C. Khalid, D. Sadori. The correct answer is option B. Uncle Noor Ali. Uncle Noor Ali is a patient in this story. So these words are said by the patient, Uncle Noor Ali. Okay, son, I will follow your advice. Thank you very much.